Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your policy documents in Insurify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your policy documents in Insurify, start by logging into your Insurify account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Policies section, typically found in the menu on the left side. Click on Policies to view your current insurance documents. Select the specific policy you want to update. You will see an option to edit or update the policy details. Click on the Edit button to access the document editing options. Review the current information and determine what needs to be changed. Make the necessary edits to the document. If you need to upload a new document, look for the Upload option. Click Upload and select the new document from your device. Ensure the new document is in an accepted format, such as PDF or JPEG. Once the new document is uploaded, confirm that all changes are correct. After reviewing, look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply your changes to the policy documents. You should receive a notification confirming that your policy has been updated successfully. Lastly, take a moment to check back in the Policy section to ensure that the changes are reflected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.